Today I want to discuss with you my impressions of the Ego line of products. Primarily, first I bought the lawnmower, the electric lawnmower. It's 56 volts, 21 inch. Then I bought the trimmer. It's the lightweight version. Now, if I wanted to save money, I could have just went straight to this model here that separates in the middle, and you can put on different attachments. So right now I have on the edger attachment, and here I have a tiller attachment. You just pop it off, pop it on very easily. Then of course I have the blower, and I enjoy it. You can adjust the speed with this little turner here. So that's useful. For the trimmer, it's easy to change the trimming line. I got this string here, and then it cuts the line. It has a little cutter right here. You just put it in there and pop it down. It cuts it right off. You get about 10 feet. You run it through right here. It goes straight through, and then you pull it to make it even. And then there's a button right here that you press, and it pulls the string in, and then you stop it when it's about so long. Yeah, I really like this trimmer. I really like the blower. It says it's 615 cubic feet per minute. It's all I need. It comes with that blower attachment on the end to make it, I guess, a little bit faster. The edger, I enjoy that. I don't use it as much. Sometimes I just use the trimmer to edge, but I used it actually yesterday. And then the mower. This is my second mower. It's a little more powerful than the first one I had, and it has the double blade, so it does a little better job of chopping up the grass. Now, if you purchase these, you'll need to purchase the batteries and the chargers. I have 2 chargers and 4 batteries, 2 of the smaller batteries and 2 of the larger batteries. So the battery sizes for the small is 2.5 amp hours, and the larger is 7.5. And this is based upon 56 volts. So the higher the voltage, that makes the amp hours go further. These are nice chargers. They work very well. So to give you an idea of how much I cut at one time with this mower, I have this little backyard here. Kind of comes over here. So it's not real big in the back. Cut up over there. Now let me walk over to the front. So this is the front yard. It's much bigger than the back. Up here. Over here. Down there. And some of the grass is pretty thick. And some of it's pretty weedy. And I kind of cut up there around the side of the house. So in summary, I really like the Ego. I've been using it for years. This is my second mower. I like the trimmer and the blower. And occasionally I use the other attachments, the edger and the tiller. They're relatively expensive, but they last a long time. So unlike the other trimmer and blower I use at the other house, I prefer this, but for the money, you know, you might want the other. Either one I think will work good. Please like and subscribe. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.